Tired of your favorite games abruptly stopping and leaving you staring at a frustrating error message on Windows 11? Let's dive into some essential troubleshooting steps to get your games running smoothly again, starting with a crucial check your system resources. First, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager, then navigate to the Performance tab. Keep an eye on your CPU, memory, and disk usage while a game is running. If any of these are consistently at 100%, it's a strong indicator that your system is struggling to keep up, leading to crash. Close any unnecessary background applications that are consuming a lot of resources. Next, let's ensure your game files are intact. Right-click on your game in its library, whether it's on Steam, Epic Games, or another platform, and look for an option like Verify Integrity of Game Files or Repair Installation. This process will check for and replace any corrupted or missing files that could be causing instability. Outdated system drivers and Windows itself can often be the culprits. Go to Settings, then Windows Update. Click Check for updates and install any available updates for Windows and optional driver updates. This is particularly critical for your graphics card drivers. For your graphics drivers, visit the website of your GPU manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers specifically for your graphics card and Windows 11. A clean installation is often recommended. Sometimes, incorrect display settings can cause games to crash in Windows 11. Right-click your desktop and select Display Settings. Ensure your display resolution and refresh rate are compatible with your monitor and what the game supports. Try lowering these settings temporarily to see if it resolves the issue. By systematically working through these steps, you should be well on your way to eliminating those frustrating game crashes and enjoying uninterrupted gameplay on your Windows 11 PC or laptop.